How to turn off your Samsung phone without using the power button. This tutorial shows you how to power off your device using gestures and the assistant menu on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Advanced Features. From there, tap on Motions and Gestures. At this point, look for the double tap to turn off screen option and toggle it on. And the next step, go back to your home screen and double tap on any empty area of the screen to turn it off without using the power button. Following this, if you want a full power off option without the button, go back to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Once done, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. From here, tap on Assistant menu and toggle it on. At this stage, a floating assistant menu button will appear on the side of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Finally, swipe through the controls and tap on Power Off to fully shut down your device without ever touching the power button. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you turn off your phone without the power button, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.